If you're interested to see an deluxe interior cabin on board Disney Wonder that's set up in the daytime configuration, then stick around because you're in the right video. Hey there cruisers, Shane from SW Black Travel here. Today we're going to take a look at a deluxe interior cabin, being cabin 2609. As we head into the cabin, you'll see the split bathrooms on the left and the cupboards on the right. You'll also see the interconnecting door is open to the desk and the sofa that folds out to a bed, as well as an additional bed above it which drops down from the ceiling. You see a queen size bed. It's very comfortable, pillows are great, a tall dresser at the end of the bed. This cabin has plenty of storage. We were quite surprised at just how much storage there was. There's a privacy curtain which you can see next to the TV, and the desk and surrounding area has plenty more storage. There's outlets on the desk, and there's 2 USB ports behind the TV as well for additional charging capability. Now turning back around, just looking at the cabin from a different angle, let's take a look at the split bathrooms, which basically means that there is a shower and a vanity on one side, as you can see here. And a toilet and a vanity on the other side, which you can see here. There's also a hairdryer in the toilet here. There's another hairdryer in a drawer in the room itself as well. So that's it, that's cabin 2609. Now this cabin does interconnect with 2607, and we've actually got a walkthrough of that cabin, which is set up in the nighttime configuration, so be sure to jump across there, click the link on the screen, go check out that video because you can see the exact same room in the nighttime configuration and the adjoining cabin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop any questions you may have in the comments below, and until next time, keep cruising.